milestone for Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort because today we constitute our first Christmas tree lighting and first Christmas celebration. Many have thought a grand and glimmering celebration, although it should be, because it is the celebration of our Jesus Christ. However, for us, it will be best if we celebrate it with the community. Our first Christmas tree lighting event is celebrated with the theme, Christmas is light of the community. This theme anchors to 4 inspirations: our challenges, especially during the pandemic and typhoon; our associates, who tirelessly gives world-class service; of course, our community; and of course, our resort, being the first of Marriott International. As we light our tree tonight, those 4 pillars will be represented by the stars to light up and signal the beginning of the Christmas holidays in our resort.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the tree has been lighted and it's officially Christmas season in Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort.
As we celebrate the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ, and I hope that this Christmas tree bring us joy, peace, love, happiness, unity, and prosperity to all of us. So in behalf of the city of Lapu-Lapu, I wish you all a happy and Merry Christmas to everyone.